I made this Ebi Chili with no deviations and it came out great, says one of my readers. Shell infused oil for depth, bloomed tobanjan for warmth, ketchup fried to rust coloured sweetness, then a slurry that turns everything silky and glossy. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Ebi Chili Sudachi to find me. Before we start, let's prep the ingredients. Finely mince 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 30 grams of the white part of a Japanese leek. If you can't find Japanese leek, regular leek, onions or shallots can pinch hit here. Chuka dishes are all about prep as the actual cooking time is so short. Next, deshell 450 grams of shrimp and keep 5 of these shells. We'll use them later. We're going to use them to create custom shrimp infused cooking oil that amplifies this dish seafood character without adding any extra ingredients. It's up to you whether you want to keep the tails on or not, but I personally like removing them for Ebi Chili. After reserving 5 shells, you don't need to take off the legs first, that way you can peel faster. Next, make a shallow cut along the back and remove the dark vein. As for the shrimp variety, I recommend larger ones like black tiger or white leg. Mine today is white legs, but ideally use a bit bigger than mine. Next is the cleaning. Sprinkle over a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of potato starch. The salt draws out impurities while the starch clings to any surface grit, so they cook up clean. I know it seems like a big hassle, but shrimp really needs thorough prep. Work over every surface and let the shrimp sit for 3 minutes. Use the waiting time to set a wok or large frying pan over medium-low heat and add 2 tablespoons of neutral cooking oil. When it shimmers, drop in those 5 saved shells and fry gently for 3 minutes until vivid orange and fragrant. Scoop the shells out and discard. You've now made a quick shrimp infused oil that boosts the dish. Rinse the salted starched shrimp thoroughly under cold water, then pat them completely dry. Return the shrimp to a new dry bowl and add 1 tablespoon of potato starch, toss to coat evenly. Slide the shrimp into the hot shrimp scented oil and stir fry over medium heat until they curl into loose C shapes, about 80% done, roughly 2 minutes. Immediately transfer them to a heat-proof container. Slightly under is perfect because we'll finish cooking them in the sauce. Lower the heat to its gentlest setting. In the same wok, add 2 teaspoons of chili bean paste called doubanjian and stir slowly for about 1 minute, just until you see bright red oil pooling and the raw harsh aroma relaxes into something warm and savoury. Stop before it darkens. Now stir in the ginger, garlic and leek that we prepared earlier. Keep it moving for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and fry for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring. This is a true backbone of Ebi Chili. Back in the 50s, Chinese-born chef Chen Kanmin adopted Sichuan Deshell Shrimp for Japanese home kitchens. He thought ketchup delivered consistent color, gentle sweetness, and balanced acidity that softened the heat while keeping the glossy red finish. Pour in 150 milliliters of water, then add 1 teaspoon of Chinese-style chicken bouillon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Bring it to a lively simmer, stirring to dissolve the bouillon. While you wait, mix a slurry of 1 teaspoon of potato starch with 1 tablespoon of cold water until smooth. Then stream the slurry into the simmering sauce while stirring. Within seconds, it will thicken and turn glossy. Thinly coat the back of your spoon. Return the part-cooked shrimp to the pan with 2 tablespoons of green peas. Toss for 15 to 20 seconds of medium heat, then turn off the heat. Finish with a light drizzle of toasted sesame oil or chili oil. Plate and garnish with finely chopped green onions and a few chili threads. Serve immediately. This sauce is at its glossiest right now, and yes, plain steamed rice is a must. And there you have it. Look at the glossy, vibrant sauce. The shrimp are springy, the sauce is sweet, spicy and aromatic, and the leeks and green onions keep everything bright. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Want to learn every detail behind this recipe? You can find the full version and step-by-step tips on my website. Just tap the link on the screen, and for more recipes like this, head to my seafood playlist. Thank you for watching.